Hey friends, if you encounter the not enough memory to open this page error in Google Chrome, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So open Google Chrome. You may be noticing a lot of tabs being opened here. So try closing all the excess tabs and only keep the ones which are in use. This will release a lot of memory on Chrome. The next one is to delete extensions because extensions also occupy a lot of memory on Chrome. Click on these three dots at the top right corner and then select extensions. Click on manage extensions, and if you see any extensions here, then delete them. The next one is to clear cache on your Chrome browser. Click on these three dots at the top right corner and then select history. Click on history once again. Click on delete browsing data. Make sure that the time range is alt time and these three checkboxes are selected. Click on delete data. The final solution is to reset the Chrome browser. And how will you do that? So to reset the Chrome browser, on the same page, go to reset settings on the list on the left hand side. Select restore settings to the original defaults and select reset settings. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.